the guy that thought of this, he's a genius, right? And then you're like, why is not everybody doing it exactly this way? And I love that effect, and I feel that it's obvious when you see it, but getting to that point might not be that obvious, right? You sometimes have to invest hours and hours of thinking, figuring out, trying, going back and forth. And that's the engineering side I feel that a lot of people have kind of like inside of them, which only gets
latent.
Latent, exactly. And projects like this can really wake this up in a person.
Yeah, and the satisfaction you get from engaging that side of yourself, I had no idea it was there, you know. Just like the little posts I was talking about, these little S-bend things, I have never seen anybody use that design before for this purpose. It just came to me when
hold the structure, right?
Yeah, so it's just two S shapes that just sit into one another, and it relies on them both being on posts, so there's a little bit of play, so that when they come together, they will knock over each other and then slot into place, and then they hold it together, and it feels solid.
Yeah.
And I just came up with that one day, and I printed a little test piece to see would it connect, and it did, and I was like, oh yes. Yeah,
patented.
Coming up.
Patented.
Well, there you
Stop
go.
The podcast. Stop the podcast. Cut this part out.
Yeah, I'm just leaking IP everywhere at the moment.
Brendan, you're gonna make millions, like.
Or somebody else is gonna make millions on these ideas after watching the podcast. That's the concern.
An engineer in China is like, oh, S shape. That's what we were missing. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the full version, go to the Uncle Gold Podcast YouTube channel or watch the next clip.